but now we're making a sacrifice out of Samaria. Samaria, we are making a sacrifice. Says Syria, I wouldn't have any appeal, but it didn't we are making a sacrifice with our bodies right now. What in Guru needed as an akala sacrifices? When I was a sacrifice and a timber, Usuka Sawita Mina Matumpa, Bella Guru was another sacrifice. Was sacrifice and a biro yako, Akashadama Tintegi, Akakalame, we are super Suse, a student sake, we're putting an in Bani Rosanigana, was a manigera. We are so necessary. No masema tiwage sesia fada skuluni no kulubunu, but we are ready, we are sacrificing with our bodies. Sinege tine skota meskonda no munye kulubunu sita ukonda yena weetwa na baby payetu ifanyele kufa sigele problilo. We are ready to do so. Wasuge kulubunu wati na baby shonjalo nina ya tatu nigero akawona nemketneza wasema kubona namazana sabone kulukulu wetembuna kuye bonke bamakabone befakana asho yini ngathi lona indvothana yemuntu noma sine losakhola wefika Jesu akafika isikhathi sakhe mfikiswe abantu labantu umnikelo wetaba their bodies labathi lemtimba lena siyayinikela maye kukhona kunikela imitimba labalala imitimba yanikelwa inikelwa abafaneni inikelwa amantombazaneni inikelwa kuko konke lokanikela kuko bathi kukhona nasikayinikela khona imitimba kushintsha ikusasa lethu kushintsha impilo yethu kushintsha into lebekade siphupha emaphupho ethu aphumelele ngoba sesinikele sanikela ngemitimba yethu. Can you imagine these people who did abakaze bafike wasexele ngiyathikabangela abakaze bafike wadola ngiyathikabangela nawe abakaze bafike nathana because bese kude umbhidu nenhloko yemphomo phela sekusibalele sishiphe kwenze imphomo futhi imphomo nathiwa kune-drought imphomo kwaze kwafa imphomo it is the last animal ukuthi sife nemle-drought. Drought, you have a different body, over one copy homo. But I can't say so. La person is told in the city, best you best say it in home to pay. Go to home to have a pay. La back together 700, about 4. Now they are so weak, no good de Uria. Abahamba labantu labantu uNkulunkulu bathi ngoba lemithombo yalabantu seyiphuthukile uyathi sokwendeka labantu Elisha his spoken word verse 1 wathi kusasa bathi laba labangifona lethi iBhayibheli nami kwathi nakuhlwa nje base bayakhuluma kodwa sitawuhlalelana ngasifa sitawuhlalelana lapho lapha sitawufa because in Samaria there's no food now and in Samaria ivalelwe sitha and there's no point lapho in Samaria abanekudla khona khona pastor uhlalelana size sife because okuhlala kwethu la it is useless ukuthi sihlale. There's no food that is coming out lapho sibuke khona but asiqhubekeni sesikhona waspenda futhi asevile ngaJesu. But you still believe in Jesus, but they spend. They continue to spend, no matter how severe ngaJesu. Nesikhathi so weak. Nesikhathi so menabani. Uyathi kuNkulunkulu ngifuna emandla ungazothi ukhuluma kuPaul nomuva lakhe athi Paul ebuthakathakeni bakhe emandla ami abonakaliswa khona. The moment when uthi wena kutekele ngabo ningakhona kanjani bese uthi ke uNkulunkulu lesikhathi weak ke wena I'm taking off. Lalela bazalwane kunento lekhona lokuhamba kubantu labanebulephero lokuhamba kwebantu labawiki lokuhamba kwebantu labethemba lokuhamba kwebantu labantu labakuhlobo labantu abakhiwe lokwathiwako silindele igama lathi abefihlwa njani abantu nobekantu abegwatshwa ngayiphi indlela beshiswa noma bebentwana amadi bathi ngiyacabangela lamuhla bekungathiwa kashiswe loyo ngoba loyo sikhomumthinta cabanga kuhamba kwebantu labathemba bathi lokuhamba kwabo lonkulunkulu wabemiqondo seguquliwe base bahamba banaye lokuhamba naye kwenza kitha tabaleka nebekade tithi simbethele bona simakade wangena kubantu labawiki kitha kangena indlela tashiya possession yakho tashiya konke kwabo kwenziwa yini kunebantu labahamba naNkulunkulu. The preaching we're supposed to preach. We are not supposed to preach because we know, but there is a place and there's somebody the foot has happened higher. There's somebody the foot has simebuye. There is a place the corner. The mubuye toborake. Ati Moses simfuna mubona. Ati mulumulini mitawo. Ngena la pagini. There is a place. La senta corner dingo. But there is a place and there's someone that foot has happened high. We do not just preach. Oh, hallelujah. But there is a place and there's someone that foot has happened high. That now wambanaye wetelelekile. Wambanaye bantu bathi singathola. Ayibuye kude lokuthola bathi lahamba na. Oh, hallelujah. There's something kulona lahamba naye. Noma kuthola noma yena awiki kanjani, but there's something you can get from the one lahamba naye. Hayi asihlabeleke. Asihlabeleke bazalwane ngoba sinemaphimbo kahle. Akafuthi sihlabelele weshuthima akafuthi sihlabelele maphimbo sinawo but kukhona la futhi sihlabele khona and the position yefuthi esibekuyo leyo khona bakele tidonda tiguqulwe asifuneni yena asigelele ekabeni lakhe asigelele entandweni yakhe sangena beyakhe intando bese yena ubakhona abakhona the enemy is going to flee sitawbaleka sitha asifaki hlana sitawukhangana bazabane lento leyenteka lapha they hate ngiyamthanda lo they hate footsteps yakuthi bativa ngathi da abativa ngathi debantu angikho worship team. But niyakithi worship team. Whenever you sing, usuke kusitshela ukuthi uhlala. Lokuhlabelela lokwendawo. Don't just go there. Ungahawukeli nje uhlabelela. Ungahawukeli uhlabelela. But yathi ukuthi ngabe mina ngihlabelela nje nikuphi. Banisenza wena kahle banaye bese uyakwazi ukuthi ngiyahlabelela ngoba ngahle because lokuhlabelelako it tells us ngeke sitshele but siyeva ukuthi lo le athanda lokulo kakusiko. That's right. Kakusiko. Asifuni namagama kahle kule ngoma but sifuna lokuthi wena ukuphi sinikete uNkulunkulu kule ngoma uma sinikete kuhlabelela kahle kwa but sinike uNkulunkulu nakuyo akufakane nempi akufakane netiki akukabithi noma sihlabelela akuba netiki netivalanayo nasihamba naye nasibuye tiki tiyevalana nasetithe tiyevalana kuthiwa sithi sefatiki hayi tiki nje abantu but tiki teki lemkhulu sebasho ukuthi usebabithe bangani babo abasibaleleni sebabithe bangani babo mina ntawuvuma bebabithe bangani babo bathi lo mngani bebambithile bebuNkulunkulu bebabithe umngane who sticks closer than a friend umngane noJudani wasebefika umngane noJudani bazalwane siyabuye sikhuluma ke lenzaba ibambe nje siyayiqhubekisa uyathi mangaliswahili i-expectation ithi nabefika nabantu befute babakhamwe bogathi labagathe impi bangakefike emasotsheni asemathembeni bathi bogathi labagathe impi kwatholakala ukuthi kude labagathile bathi bayafika emathembeni bakhanza kudla ukukhabana asekukusipha-ke sesigcine nalabo bese siyathandaza ngoba isikhathi sethu sisalele la bathi nabefika kuleli thembeni bakhanza ngekudla kuthiwa bali and lokudla bekurashile bali bathi nabathi to the next tent angibathi ukuthi abakenele njani to the next tent sifundzile phela nivime nandaba bazalwane sifundzile ngekusibhile 8% October lithi leBhayibheli bakhanza isiliva negolide the people who had the transformed mind ngibo labathola igolide nesiliva awulalele ukuthi into endala nokuthi the minds were transformed and isihlale sisho sithi bantu bayagula bayahamba bathi guess what nasebefike khona amandla abuya angibathi ukuthi baphiliswa yini bathi nesiqiniseko semandla labuya lamandla amangalisa lithi iBhayibheli bathatha lonke isiliva bathatha lonke igolide dagijima lisho njalo iBhayibheli namnifunzi babaleka bayakuyokhupha angathi bakhupha ngantandla ledilimele letitejebule phela bathi ithi igolo yami it means they were now okay egameni laJesu ngenzela bahamba naye dahupha abesibili angibeva labo abesibili kwekuthi bathola negolide bathi ngicabanga lamadoda nje langu-4 ndima bathi bagijima bathi bhu ngiyacabangela nawe cabanga ngiyacabangela leti tathi jabule tuthi baze bathi labantu noma bani golide abanalo golide ligate ngiyathi sola betshiya high five ngiyagijima leti ngisafuna kudla leti bathi igolide lilithi isilivinite agijima abantu alina kuthiwa lokudla bakuthatha babuyana ababuyana basethetha ubusuku bonke manje nabuya nalokudla kwasa ngimngelo sasho nje sengini ngoba uthi umprofeti ekuseni kusasa egedeni eSamaria nithi ke mina ngimi lelo sho njalo because kuthiwa ekuseni labantu just lokudla nakuda athi bebangaphumi abantu labathinte lakuwa empini Israel came out ngemikhondo wempi wakhipha those people labalungele impi basala labantu. So this man ngeletheke yona ku verse 2 noma simakadza ngavule amafasitela kuthiwa eva kunenyento kwathiwa kudla khona kuyamangalisa egedeni ngotani into okudla kuthiwa abantu bagijima ngesivinini lesikhulu ngoba ke angiyathi cabangela nje nawe cabanga ngoba ke le ndoda beyinduna ngiyacabanga bethe mani kuthiwa abantu bagijimeti kwayo le ndoda bayixoba yafa yabo kodwa yangabuthi. We come to speak about transformation, and we have been speaking, and we will speak, but there are people here who will come out with this mind. Kunebantu abatawuthuma nalomqondo walenduna naye baphume bayiphika lento kanti lento seyikhulunyiwe yaze yakhulunywa lento seyinjalo akubenza ngokuthi wena ubona ngathi kude dinkomba tako but yaze yakhulunywa seyinjalo. Those with a transformed mind nebantu nabatawuthi bazuze emphefumulweni yabo they are going to be strong enyameni yabo they are going to be strong and they are going to have possession. Ithi Bible bathina bagijima abantu bephelo baqiniswa yini their minds were transformed abavumanga kuhlala ndawonye kodwa sitawuhlala lapha size sife kutawusebenini na angeke sikhuleke sihlale ndawonye asambeni singenele Syria amebetele China usuhlala let your mind be transformed. Mama, transformation. Good transformation. Uthola amandla. Good transformation. Uthola properties. Good transformation. Awusabi njalo. That's right. Usabi njalo. Good transformation. Kusho kutuka kwempilo yakho. It should turn around in your life. These people, lalelani bazalwane, sitawuthubeka sihlale lapha kusebenini. Utawuthubeka uhlale kule position uhlala kuyo kusebenini. Utawuthubeka uhlale ucabanga njengoba ucabanga kusebenini. Umuntu lomusha, lalela, nikela umtimba wakho. Uba umtimba lophilile. Nasifika kulesihlungu. Semnikela umtimba yethu. That's a sweet feeling in the corner. Check. What's that? Oh, hallelujah. Near Kabama. Nabantu abantu nasebabuyela. Ebathi fikele lethi nobathi fikele abantu babuyela nemuntu. But in believe yami it's these people. They were now okay. nokwenda ukuthi bafihle lapha ukuthi lokho kutabange kwethu noma bebasicabanga abantu ukuthi siyakufa asisafe never hayi nethi sasentomsini niyathi ukuthi ayikho niyathi ukuthi kawungagulu lale phasi bese kuthiwa lalela bayacela Louis uwine 10,000 ngisho noma ngabe bofa ukuthi hayi ukhona ngisho bakubeke lapha endlini lemgcoka kodwa bangakuva ukuthi bathi ufika nini ngoba ungayikhuluma lento sovuke wahlala babeklasini mafuhlala letiboni bese uyabona bathi sinini ngoba ngikhanza seniyile khona noma benehluleka kufika lapha yini sizathu to have something it gives life yabona lento lesikhulumako la there is life in transformation bathi bantu bacabanga ukuthi transformation sikhuluma nje ukuthi kucula ingqondo uthi benganda kucula ngicabana nje lalela ntokusi when ukucula ingqondo yakho you are going to have the mind of God because Elijah here said tomorrow morning then the people lababa nemqondo lokuculiwe they were able ukuthi bathi ukuthi kuthiwe noma lento yakhulunywa bangekho kahle Samaria bebangaphansi bathi lento leyakhulunywa yevuka abantu labangaphansi base bathi this thing it is possible welcome to push his agenda. Let's close our eyes. That's what I make. Tell us nebantu namhla egameni lenkosi nebantu lamhla labathi